Walden University students, are you a master's or doctoral student who would like to strengthen your synthesis skills? Are you unsure how to integrate and cite multiple sources in a paragraph? Would you like practice in giving and receiving writing feedback? If you answered yes to any of these questions, consider enrolling in Graduate Writing 3. The Center for Academic Excellence course, Graduate Writing 3 Advanced Composition Skills, the final course in the Graduate Writing series, provides instruction in surveying the literature on a topic of interest, creating a thematic outline, and composing a small-scale literature review. Skills covered in this 8-week course are organization, synthesis, revision, and application of advanced APA guidelines. In discussions, you practice the writing topic for the week and reflect on any challenges you have encountered. Discussions are meant to be a place not only for practicing skills, but for supporting others, solving problems, and offering feedback. Then, in assignments, you take what you have learned in discussion and apply it to the development of your literature review. Each week adds a step to the literature review process, from initial idea generating, to gathering and reading articles, to outlining, to synthesizing and organizing, and finally, to revising. The final product is a literature review incorporating information from 3 research articles. This approach is meant to mimic the process you will go through in writing longer literature reviews in coursework or as part of your capstone study. By practicing this on a smaller scale, you can better understand the process and expectations. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.